Mabuhay Philippines! Kumusta guys? Hope everybody's well in their house. Another day here in the farm, and today I will tour you around because I need to find many flowers because we will do the photo shoot for Buntis, the first maternity shoot. So we need to find many flowers. We'll create a crown for Teresita, and we need to find many flowers. We'll pick probably some of these white flowers that are really nice. We need to find really many. Also, we'll find maybe some weird flower. Here are the pongapon flower that I showed you in some previous video, but are almost dying. Is now medyo matagal that are here. But look at there. This is a big stem of the pongapon. It's getting really big, really malaki. Also here there are more andamen are growing. Check our previous video if you're interested to see this weird flower, really beautiful, really smelly, and it's really big. So let's go around the farm and let's see if we can find flower. It's actually medyo hot, medyo mainit, so I think we'll be a bit mahirap to find many flower like the previous week, because the previous week was raining so much. Now not much, but let's go around and let's see.
Mirco and Tere, an Italian and Filipino couple who loves to travel and explore. Welcome to our channel.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel.
So guys, now let's take this path. Here, other white flower. These are really nice. Maybe when we come back, we'll pick these. So big, nice. And also, look at there. There is a pongapon flower. I will show you. Not really big. This is probably still growing, but will become really big later on. And this is the flower that I was talking to you about, the biggest flower in the world. Go and check out our videos. It's really nice and interesting. Go and check it out. So now let's continue there. I know a spot that there are berries. We'll pick some. Okay guys, we are near there. I will show you now. These are really nice because are orange color, and probably Teresita can use it for the crown. Is really nice. Look. So I will pick some of these. I will use the scissors so I can take the stem long. Let's cut it. Andamen pongapon flower, another one there that is growing, another one here. Look at here, this is so nice, small. There are really many. And this is the stem of the pongapon. Many of you are saying that this flower is rare, but here at Ditosa farm there are really andamen. There are probably, from when I started to count it, I counted now more than 40. Really andamen talaga. So let's continue guys. Now we are arrived in this beautiful green area that I showed you also last time with the cow. But look at here, last time was so green. Now it's starting to be again a bit brown because Sobram hot, and you know, the hot is making the leaves die. This cow is so friendly. It's a small one, but hey! So also here I found more pink and yellow flower. Let's start to pick some. Are really nice. So let's pick these. Let's start with these. And look at here. The cow here is so beautiful, this spot, no? You can come here and relax, watching the skyline there. So nice. Okay, we have picked some. Look at here, our friend. Hi, how are you? Are you doing well? So we put some in the bag already. Let's continue. Ah guys, and look at here, one maracuya, wild passion fruit. Let's pick one. I will cut it. In the previous video I showed you this and I didn't know what was. Many of you have said that it's like wild passion fruit and is even eatable. I actually didn't try it because I don't want to risk to get sick like the camellias, but looks so nice, so red, and there are many in this tree. Maybe I will pick more. We are now arrived at the bamboo path. Let's see if we can find some flower also here. Look at here, full of bamboo. All over there, over here, andame, no? So we are now near the river. Just down here there is the river. And in this plant there was many flowers before, but now there are no more. It's probably because it's really hot and there are no more. Even Teresita here pick some seed in the previous video. I don't know if you remember, guys. There are still some seed. Let's pick some, maybe she can use it. But see, andaman flower, wala na anymore. Tapos na. See, normally there should be this really nice flower, but wala na. This is the only one. Let's pick this. And these are the seeds, I think that Teresita showed me. Really nice. So guys, let's go down to the river. Let's go there. That I know that probably there are some flower. There is a big plant with many pink and yellow flower. Let's pick that one that Teresita for sure will be able to use it. Ah, and guys, look at here. I didn't even notice. Just here there are these, I don't know what are. Maybe are fruits that are growing, no idea. I will pick some, maybe she can put on the crown. Okay, we are really near the river now. The river is just there. But first I want to see if I can find the ginger flower that I showed you in the previous video. Was so nice. Let's hope that there is still here. Yes, it's here. Let's pick it. This will be amazing in the crown. Here we go. Look at here. So nice. This will be amazing. And also here, guys, look at this. I don't know what these are. I never saw it before, I think. And they're here just in the river. But I don't know if are poisonous or not. I will not pick it. You know, guys, what is, let us know. Here we go in the river, guys. So nice also today. Here we cannot touch it because it's the poisonous flower. Also there are the poisonous one, but the one that I want to pick are that one. Let's pick many of these. Okay guys, I picked many. I have the bag full. Now let's go home. Kumain tayo. I'm really hungry. Let's go to Buntis. We arrive at home. Sobrang init. Mahirap talaga. I just want to let you see another pongapong flower. One here, and there are other two nice that are growing. Here, look at here. Are so nice. Let's go home. Hi baby.
Hello.
So you're creating already your crown?
Yes.
Oh, let's see. These are the flower that I picked, diba? And what are you doing now? You're cutting leaves, diba?
Yeah, we will need the foliage as the base for our flower crown. But I think it's gonna be mostly foliage since we have very tiny flowers.
Yes,
yeah.
But I will take you some more flower really nice now. That is pink, okay? It's just in front of our house. Yes.
If you can find, but it's okay. Yeah. It's okay.
Let's pick also some of these. So nice. Hey Beethoven. Hey baby, here we go. Look at here.
Wow.
So nice, no?
So
Let's
pretty.
put it in the water. And while Teresita is finishing the crown, I'm going to do a shout out for some of you guys. If we don't mention you today, don't worry, we will mention you in the next video, because many of you now are asking us shout out. So the first is Father Patrizio, that is right now in Kazakhstan and is doing a mission.
Missionary work.
Yeah, missionary work. And thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much for watching us. We really appreciate and stay safe there. And also we want to shout out Carmen J, that actually Teresita talked to her because yeah, she messaged
in Facebook. She messaged us in our Facebook page.
Yeah.
And Carmen, we really appreciate your kind words, and it's because of people like you who encourage us and motivate us. That's why we do what we do. And we really appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much,
Yes.
Carmen. Please take care wherever you are. Thank you so much.
Thank you
for the support.
And the last for today is Angelo. And this guy from Australia, we don't know really much about it. For what I understood, is a Filipino that live in Australia. We know only your name, Angelo, but if you want, message us in Facebook and let us know more about, because we are really amazed by you guys, because Angelo give us a donation, actually 2 donations on the live chat
It was
while
very unexpected.
yeah, we have
were
never
surprised.
Yeah, we have never asked for support, monetary support by any of you guys. We don't ask, but this guy did it. Yeah, we are really amazed. Really, thank you so much. Yeah. Because you know we do videos, but we have never asked for donation. We don't ask to you guys to send us money in the live chat. We just do live because it's a process of YouTube. But while we are doing live, you can donate money. And this guy donate money for 2 times. I mean, and we are I really got shocked. The first time that I saw it, I was like, oh my God, why? I mean, we are really impressed by you. Thank you so much, Angelo. And now let's continue to do the crown so we can go to do the photo, right, baby?
It's almost finished.
Yes, almost finished now. We just need to put the flower. So nice.
So right now we're just finishing the crown with some flower fillers. So as you can see, we're just using the plants, flowers, and even grasses that can be found here in the farm. We're trying to be creative and resourceful with what we have. Because, you know, alam niyo naman po, this is very important for us. You know, maternity shoot is like an important milestone that should be documented. And kahit din po kayo, even if you're at home, in the city, we would encourage you to just utilize what you have. Like right now, we're just using an iPhone 11 Pro camera for our vlogs since we were not able to bring everything because this was unexpected. We were supposed to just be quick here. We don't even have our microphone with us.
Yes, he's in Palawan, di ba?
So, the thing is, we will need to adapt with the situation right now. We need to be creative. We have to be resourceful. We need to adapt, and we will manage with what we have. So right now we're shooting with the iPhone 11 Pro, and then even with the clothes, I don't have the long gown, but that's fine. So I will just have a long or a maxi dress that's here in the farm. So dadaanin natin yan sa diskarte at saka sa galing sa pag-shoot. Mga pa-angle-angle na lang. So, ayun. Yun lang po ang mga tip ko sa mga gustong mag-document ng kanilang maternity shoot. Or maggawa ng kanilang sariling maternity shoot. At the comfort of their homes. Kasi tayo mga pregnant, medyo maselang ngayon. As much as possible, we are advised not to go out, diba?
Yeah.
So, for now, we do this.
So we are ready. Beethoven is here with us, and now we need to find a nice spot where to take the photos, diba?
Yep.
Look how Buntis is so beautiful. So ganda, diba? So let's find a nice spot and let's take some photos.
So we're now here in the bamboo grove. We chose this area because of the arches of the bamboo, and we have a symmetry of bamboos on both sides. So I think this will be a great location.
Yes.
And then we have with us right now our Sony Alpha 7 III.
Yes.
For the photos.
Yes, because actually we are doing our vlogs with the phone that is also comfortable, but for the photos we are going to use our camera that luckily we took it with us because is always with us. Yes. So let's start. Let's take some photo.
Okay. So the next location is over here.
Yes, I showed you this morning with the cow, really nice. Let's take some photo here. That will be really nice. The colors are now beautiful. Look at my buntis. The colors are so nice. Her skin is so beautiful, no? No more cow. The cow went to sleep. So also in this side we have finished the shoot and the last part, diba? We need to find one more location. So let's see. Yes, it's starting to get dark.
Getting dark. So then, what did you find there? But the color of the sky is so nice. Wait. I like this spot. This clearing among shrubs and trees. But I'm not sure if we still have enough light. Beethoven is always ahead of us. My cameraman, my husband, is tired. Ay. What do you think? Should we still do more? Baba, do you think we still do more or we just go home?
Oh yeah, let's do.
Right. Maybe here in the middle, and here in the middle is fine.
Yeah.
And then your vantage point will be from here.
Yeah.
All right. So another tip is to use shrubs as your background. Mirco will show you how.
Yes. So guys, we have finished the shoot. It's now late, the sun is really going down. We need to go back soon at home. And guys, stay always positive. Make always happy your wife or your buntis.
Your partner.
Yes, happy wife, happy life.
Support each other, take care of each other.
Yes.
And see you in the next video.
Yes, big news soon. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Mirco and Tere, an Italian and Filipino couple who loves to travel and explore. Welcome to our channel.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for